everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you an engineering student eager to dive into the future of drone technology, artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things? Join us at the National Institute of Technology Kurukshetra for an internship experience from 23rd of June to 25th of July. Hosted by the Electrical Engineering Department, this program is specially designed for 4-semester engineering students from all streams. So get hand-on with drone modeling and simulation, application of AI and IoT in drones, MATLAB and Python training, and small design projects in both hardware and simulation. Under the guidance of eminent professors like Dr. Lillie Dewan, Dr. Ritu Garg, Dr. Mahesh, Dr. V.G.D. Rayudu, this program promises real exposure to the technology shaping tomorrow. You will gain not just technical knowledge but also essential skills in report writing and presentation with a certificate to showcase your learning. So hurry, register by 10th of June using the link in the description or scan the QR code on the screen. Seats are limited, don't miss the opportunity. Subscribe for more updates and opportunities. See you this summer at NIT Kurukshetra. Thank you.